don't forget the beaches, guys. There's bands up and down the beach. They're all having bands, they're having music, so get out there and check that out here at Flagler Beach. Whether you're in Daytona, Flagler, here in St. Augustine, get out and support all these restaurants. They need your support. And the music, the guys that are playing also need your support, so get out there and help them out. Also, there's a car show, the Staples parking lot off of Old Kings Road and Palm Coast Parkway. Fantastic. I was there last week, a lot of great cars. Get out there and check that out. And also, I don't know if any of you have been to any boat shows. One of the best boat shows in the world is the Palm Beach Boat Show on the Intracoastal. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Well, this year, because of everything going on, they cannot have it. So they're going to have it virtually. Get out there. You can check out everything from a 13-foot Boston Whaler to a 113-foot mega yacht, sport fisherman. Everything's out there. It should be a great weekend, guys. Get out and enjoy. And don't forget, if you have any real estate needs, don't forget Landmark Properties. Cheers.